Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Maxima key battery. Start by removing the mechanical key and locating the fob seam, then gently pry the halves apart with a coin or flat tool to reveal the battery. Remove the old CR2032 and note its orientation, then insert the new CR2032 matching polarity. Snap the fob back together, reinsert the mechanical key, and test all remote functions to confirm success. Begin by extracting the mechanical key from the fob using its release button, then set the key aside. Insert a coin into the fob seam and gently twist to pry the halves apart, taking care not to force or bend plastic. Lift out any rubber pads or contact springs and lay them in order, so reassembly is simple. Note the battery orientation before removal and dispose of the old battery safely at a recycling location. Carefully remove the old CR2032 cell with a fingernail or non-metal tool to avoid shorting it, and verify the replacement is a CR2032. Position the new battery with the same polarity orientation and press it gently into its seat until it sits flush. Reposition any rubber contacts and springs, then snap the two halves together until you hear a click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.